Hey Shopify store owners, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change the layout of your Shopify store. Customizing your store's layout can help you create a unique look, improve navigation, and enhance your customers' shopping experience. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell. Never miss out on our latest content. A well thought out layout can make it easier for customers to navigate your site and find products and complete their purchases, and it can lead to a higher customer satisfaction and increased sales, right? And I believe a more user friendly layout can optimize the sales funnel, making it easier for visitors to become customers. And adapting layout can improve the mobile responsiveness of your site, and it is crucial, to attract and retain customers. And before we can able to change our layout, you might want to go to the web browser of your choice. I am using Google Chrome right now, but it's okay if you're using a different browser, such as Safari, Firefox, Edge, Opera, or Brave. It's okay. Then you might want to log in or sign up for a free account. It's easy and super simple and fast as well. All right. And the next step is you might want to hover to your Shopify dashboard. All right. In the left part, you can see the online store right here. Right. Then we go here at the themes. Right. So there's a lot of theme that you can add here. Right. There's a lot of popular themes here you can use. It depends on your preference, on your needs or your style, of course. Always remember that when you update the layout, it's a chance to gather customer feedback and integrate improvements. And there's a lot of Shopify apps and tools that can help you collect and analyze customer feedback to enhance the theme experience. Say, for example, we are going to use Spotlight right here. Because right now I'm using the Dawn free theme. And of course, if you upgrade your subscription, you will be given more options and more flexibility in choosing your themes, right? Again, it's important to remember that while changing your store's layout can offer many benefits, it should be done thoughtfully. Be mindful of users' experience, all right? Because you have to keep your brand consistent and ensure that changes won't negatively affect your site's performance. So you have to monitor your site's analytics to gauge the impact of layout changes and make adjustments as needed. All right. So you can visit the themes here. There's a lot of you can actually check on it, right? So there's the I'm right now I'm all only limited to free 12 templates, but for paid though it's 151. So there's a lot of themes that you can select here. Depends on your style, needs, and your goals. All right. And that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, guys, once again, please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.